Hello friends, welcome to ICT based teaching and learning process. In this video, we will learn how to create Google quizzes from Google Forms by using Google Forms. First of all, we will log into our Gmail account. Then we will go to our Google Drive. Then we click on My Drive, go to option More and click on option More and click on Google Forms. Then as we can see, one untitled Google form appears on our windows. First we will name it as suppose FDP quiz, FDP quiz 1. Same name will appear here. We can save it to any folder. If you want to move to some particular folder, then we can move it. We can also mark star on this form. All the changes we will made on this automatically saved to our Google Drive. We can add any form description here. It is optional. So first we will add some basic information. We will require email as it is mandatory. We will make it compulsory. No, we will choose, we will require some information, full name. It will be a short answer type question. It will also be compulsory. Next we choose college name. It will also be a short answer type question. We also made it now suppose we do not want any other information, and now we move to our quiz section. So we add section here, and we can rename it. It may be different from the Google form name. I type here quiz. If I want to give some instruction, then I can type anything else. Suppose all questions are compulsory. These instructions are the same as we write on question papers when we create question papers. Now we add some questions. Suppose I type here, who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Option 1, Modi ji. Second option we can add how many options we required. Yogi ji, Rahul Gandhi, none of the above. Whatever options we can choose. Now we have to make some settings here. As we required quiz, so we go to settings, click on here quizzes, and make this quiz. Other settings we will see when we complete the quiz. Now we can see that a tab as answer key appears here. We will give right answer. When the participants will evaluate the quiz or participant in the quiz, it will be automatically show their grade. It will be auto evaluated. So I give right answer to it. Who is the PM of India? Obviously Modi ji. If it will be wrong answer, then 0 points will be awarded, and if it is right answer, then 1 marks will be given. Done. I made it required question. Once again I copy it. I can some short type of answer as capital of India is I made it. Short answer type. We can type anything else. Answer key. Suppose we add New Delhi. Marks all other answers incorrect. Other than New Delhi, all answer will be incorrect. Done. I can once again copy it. Now suppose I want to import some questions from other, so I click on import questions. Suppose I want to choose from here. I choose this multiple choice question. This. I choose 3 question. All are multiple choice. All settings has been already done. So we can create a quiz like this. We can also see preview from here. FTP quiz 1. It will require email address, full name, college name. Next is appears here because we added next section. If we do not add section, then the question will appear after these information. Suppose I want to submit it. gkv.sunil@gmail.com. Full name Dr. Sunil Kumar. College name SVSU Meerut. Next, I will answer these questions. I will try to. Who is the PM of India? Obviously Modi ji. Capital of India is New Delhi. It is copy twice, so I again New Delhi. Now next question is whatever I want to answer, it may be correct or incorrect. A computer algebra system is a top software type package that is used in manipulation of mathematical formulae. Mathematica is owned by Wolfram. Now I will submit it. I can see my score here. I got total points 6 out of 6. I close it currently. Now I can see one response is recorded. I click on here. I will check who appeared in the exam. It can be checked by here. Email, score released automatically same time. Full name of the respondent is this. College name is this. These are the quizzes, question responses. We can see everything on this. Suppose I want to see it in spreadsheet, then I will create FTP quiz 1 spreadsheet. Click on create. I can see all the information here. All the participants who will take part in this quiz will appear here. I will close this. If I don't want to accept the responses, I will off from here, but currently I am opening it. Now if I want to make some settings, these have we already discussed. Collect email address, yes. Response receipts, yes. If respondent request, then email will be sent to him or her. Always, we can also click on always. Require sign in. If we want to limit to one response, respondent cannot appear twice in the exam. Respondents can edit after submit. We can edit after submit, or see summary charts and text responses. We can allow them or uncheck these boxes. It is based on your requirement. It is presentation. We will choose this option here. So shuffle question order. It will change the order of question to each and every participant. We can change it also. It is by default message. When any participant will submit, he or she will get your responses has been recorded. I do not change it. Quizzes. Make a quiz. Yes. Release grade immediately after each section. As soon as the participant will submit his or her assignment or work, he will get its grade here. Respondent can see missed question. If you want to allow, then we will uncheck correct answer. I will not allow and save. Then I can send the link of this form via mail. I will copy from here and mail it to myself by compose message to gkv.sunil. Link I will paste and send it to me. Now I can share it to the participants by using my WhatsApp or Telegram group. I hope you will like the video, and you should apply Google Quiz or Google Forms in your teaching learning process. Thank you very much.